A lot of people ask me, how did you earn $10,000 plus for weddings? Well, it was simple. The more glamorous I made the bride look, the more money I got paid. And once I started doing that, it's like more and more money came. So I know for a fact that that technique works. You make people beautiful, the more money you're gonna make. It's plain and simple, and that's what posing does, is it maximizes a person's beauty. Every great pose starts with a realistic and organic emotion. Okay? So you always hear about, ooh, what's the story of the photo? Well, when it comes to a portrait, a lot of times the emotion, that is the kernel of a story. Because without emotion, there is no story, but if you want to have the very essence of the story, it's actually the emotion there. And so you have to, they have to look natural, it has to look organic in front of the camera, and so you need to break those walls down. If there's some trepidation there by the subject or they feel uncomfortable or whatever, you have to make sure that they look comfortable, and that's really important. Okay, posing is both technical and emotional. I didn't realize this until 5 years into my career, okay? Because guess what? I was a math major. Ooh, surprise, right? And so what is math? Formulas, right? I would always, so I'm approaching it, okay, turn the hip here, pop the hip, look over there, where's the light, this way. You know, I was so robotic in my thing, I thought it was just a technical thing. But once I started to realize that the pose first starts with an emotion, and then the way you pose, it's actually, that's the technical that wraps around the emotion. So, for example, if I said, oh, pretend you're a princess. I know that's weird, but just for posing sake, right? Oh, okay. I'm a princess. It's the feeling. And then the pose wrapping around the feeling, that's really gonna give you some juice there. And so remember, it's just not technical, but it's the emotion first, and then how do I maximize that emotion and make this person look beautiful? Okay. Must get subjects to buy into your story or your emotion or whatever. They have to buy into what you're trying to do and your vision. And if they're not buying into you, you're gonna get this confused look on their face. They're not gonna be into it, and they're not gonna give you the essence of that shot, right? You might have everything technically right, the lighting, the composition, and everything, but they have to buy into, you both have to buy into what you're doing. And a lot of that is confidence with you. If you're not sure about what you're doing, then it's gonna rub off on your subject and you're not gonna get it, right? So you have to they have to buy into you, and that means going out and fake it until you make it. Like, even if you don't feel confident, pretend you are, right? And that's gonna go a long ways to getting you the imagery that you want to do. Failure to pose correctly produces inconsistency, right? And we know that. Sometimes when we're with the model and, you know, like Elena, she's like awesome, right? Shoot, it's like, I'm on fire, man. Oh, shoot, I can't go wrong. And then you get another subject, and let's say they're not great at posing, and you're like struggling, and you just feel like the whole session you're not getting into that groove, right? You've been there, and then your results are gonna be up and down, and you can't build a business without having consistency. That is huge. You got to be consistent, and so you got to learn how to pose. Okay, create a positive environment. That is so important. And I think that's actually, you know, besides everything, I think that's one of my assets. I might not be the tallest person and get great angles by shooting down because I'm taller or whatever, but I do have a positive energy about me. And so we have to look at ourselves that way. Yeah, we do have some negatives, but we have positives too, and go with what positives you have. And mine is definitely an energetic personality, and I use that to my advantage. Right? And so that is so huge. And I'm gonna tell you right now, that is really, if the one thing that I've had success in my career is just literally the energy level that I bring to a situation. that's going to take you somewhere. And so when you come with that positive energy with your subjects are going to come alive for you. They're going to smile, right? They're going to work for you harder, and that's so necessary.